Hey guys, we found a beaver dam. And there's a bush with some flowers. Yeah, there's a bunch of algae, but for some reason the water is really just cool and like blue, which means there's a bunch of minerals, yes. Yeah. Guys, also there's a bird here. Really cool, right? Yeah. Oh, oh, he's still in the bushes somewhere. Oh, yeah. He's in the bushes. And guys, there's a chipmunk. Baby.
He's a baby.
Yeah. Also, guys, we found this little part into this river. Yeah, it's really cool. Guys, there's another look at it. Here is it. It's really cool. There's nature everywhere out here in Keystone. Someone spray painted that. Wow. Guys, I got the back of that Roadrunner. Oh my god.
You can't see him ever from this view.
Yeah, but he's right there. It's
You
cool.
can see him better.
There's one right there. Look, there's one right there. Oh my god, that's so cool. Hello, guy.
He's eating the bird.
Yeah. Yeah, but guys, there's this big building my dad made a while ago for his old job. And it's probably like 3 blocks big. And it has a view of this little pond and the birds over there and the slopes and stuff. Guys, there's also this little river here. Yeah, it's really cool. And it goes out all there. So, yeah. And the other side of the river. And yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, but guys, like and subscribe, please. Wheezy, lemon squeezy, cakey, wakey.